We're doing a 4-inch water main, domestic water main. Actually, we came here to do the sewer, but then we realized that when the water is no good, so the customer decided to change the water to sewer. The sewer is done, so we're on the water main now. We're over here, and we're taking out all the old pipes. The 4-inch pipe, we have to, torch it, take out the whole piece, weld in a new piece inside there, inside the main, city main, and then we take it from there all the way inside. Listen, you know what? I started this thing 25 years ago, and I just realized I have to make a difference for me, and I started to learn, and I become good at what I do, and I continue that way. When I started out, I had a foreman, and I used to work 17 hours a day. And he passed away. Then I actually decided I gotta learn. And if I want to get better, if I want to actually make money, I have to work hard. And from there on, I'm just working hard and hard and hard and hard. And the more you go, the more you learn.
Oh my gosh, this guy is a monster. He's working non-stop, working like a robot, like he don't have no feeling or nothing. If you follow him, he'll work night and day, night and day, night and day, every day. I can't say a specific job because most of the jobs that we go on, we do what we have to do and we finish the job. And finish the job most of the time on time. That's the best thing. You have to have a mindset. You can't go on a job and say it can't be done, or you have to have a mindset and know what you're doing. Some of the time he see the job before even the hole is dug. He see and know what's going on before the job, before we open the hole in the street or in the sidewalk. He see things that you don't see some of the time.
You know what? I think having a hard work ethic is important because you're not even doing it for yourself, you're doing it for your company and for the customer. And the customer got to be pleased, the boss have to feel pleased, and then after all that, you're going to be pleased. Right now we're basically finished on the job. As you can see, we started early this morning, like 6 o'clock with the water main. We're done now. We ran like about 25 feet of 4-inch water main. Got inspection. Now we're back filling, and the other here.